Want your telescopic ladder to last for years? Here's how to keep it clean and functional in just a few steps. First, wipe it down regularly with a soft, damp cloth to remove dust and dirt. Next, keep the locking mechanisms and hinges moving freely. Use a bit of WD-40 or thinner, but don't overdo it. Check that all the locks or switches are working properly. Always check for dents. Your ladder should not have any dents, as it cannot be repaired. Always check the foot cap. If it's broken, replace it immediately. Otherwise, dust can get inside and affect its functionality. Always check the weight capacity before buying. Most ladders in India support up to 120 to 150 kilograms. The one I'm using comes with a 150 kilograms load capacity. At last, store the ladder in a clean, dry place away from dust and moisture. For long-term storage, wrap it in plastic or bubble wrap to protect it from damage and rust. And finally, before making a purchase, check reviews, after-sales support, and always buy from an authorized supplier or manufacturer. If you have a Corvids ladder and you notice any issue, be it a broken switch, button, foot cap, or any other accessory, don't wait. Contact us immediately so we can fix it in time and prevent any further damage to your ladder. Every Corvids ladder comes with a 2-year warranty because we stand by our quality.